Hello everyone, welcome back, welcome back. This might be a little redundant for some of you. If you saw this in the index card video over the weekend, I apologize. This is the 1 November kit that I am listing in my shop for sale. It is the only one that I have. I felt I needed to come in and show it because the journal that you saw in the previous video is not the journal that is in the shop. So this is everything that is in that particular journal kit. If you have already seen this, you know about it. Catch me tomorrow. We will work on August in the Elizabeth craft designer box, and I get it because I know some of you have seen this, but if you haven't, here we go. So the November kit is what you see in front of you. 2 Yoo-Hoo glue sticks, magic blue Yoo-Hoo glue sticks. 1 cutter, this cutter here. 5, I believe, or 6 postcards. There's 1, love that. 2, 3, 4, isn't that cool with that pop of orange? 5, there are 6, just cute, cute cards. Then 2 of these, they are scored, so you can make little journals out of these. You can make little booklets. You can make little inserts for your journals. These could be tag books. Super, super cute. I have no idea what you call them, but I love them. So there are 2 of those. There are 2 fall washi tapes. This one's got pumpkins. This one happens to have a truck full of sunflowers. Super, super cute. So you will get 2 rolls of that. You will get a grabby envelope with some cutouts, fall cutouts. There's some leaves. There's some acorns. Really, really cute to use in your journal. I'll show the journal last, so then you do get one of those. You get this, you get a word, and this one has thankful, and it has been painted with copper, so it is beautiful. Let's go through. These are cards, postcards. Let's see, does that go that way? Yeah, isn't that so beautiful? Look at that. So I believe there are 4 of these. Look at, it's just the epitome of everything that you would think fall was. The colors are so vibrant and just really, really pretty. And then I added 2 extra cards with that. It has nothing to do with fall, but really cute, so you can use those in your journal. There are 3 vintage pages. You can use this in this journal or any journal that you want to create. Words, a page of Tim Holtz words. Speaking of Tim Holtz, there are several of the collage strips. Different images and colors, different themes. You've got some that look like they could be spring. Look at, there's a postal or a flight. So you get several of those. You get a glycine bag with 8 metal corners. 4 are copper, 4 are silver, and they are the large. I consider these the large. So if you were to use them, it's that size, perfect for this journal. So there are 8 of those. There is a large assortment of labels, different shapes, different sizes. I believe there are, I want to say, 20 of these. Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Yes, there are 20 labels. A roll of, I love this. I have been using, where is mine? I used it just in yesterday's video. Is this it? No. Okay, I don't see it, but anyway, absolutely love this. It looks like a tape measure. So, there's that. There's, okay, let's get it all out. Okay, there's a leaf. There are, I don't know, these aren't chipboard, but they're thicker than a paper. So the cutouts, let's see, there's 2, 3, look at that, isn't that beautiful? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 2, I believe, filigree, kind of, not doily, but I mean, just fall, really, really pretty. There's an assortment of background paper here. 2 of the pumpkins, you can take the sticks off and use those. Here's another wooden leaf. So there's 4 of those. Here's another wooden leaf. 1 of my pumpkin wax melts. An assortment of tags, and they're good. These tags are good on both sides. Look at that, so cute. And then a couple more tags or little cards, and they are double-sided. And then 3 of the pumpkin tags and 2 of the I'm grateful for leaves. These are from Hobby Lobby, but I love using these as tags. Just absolutely love that. So this is what is in the kit, and then your actual journal. This is your journal here. Isn't she beautiful? I used twine on her because it just seemed more natural for the fall. And then you've got a metal journal frame. And then I did machine stitching here. So when you open this up, look at that. And that's so pretty. There she is. Look at that. It's a double signature. So you've got scrapbook paper, and you've got a nice assortment of stickers and then cardstock. So there's a pocket there with copy dyed paper, nice cardstock. There's a bag. Here's some vellum. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Another sticker there. I came in and I just put stickers throughout. That's like eco paper. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. There's a sticker. There's leaves. Cardstock. There is the center of the first signature. There's another piece of vellum. Here's the back side of the bag. This is a pocket. You don't like that, you can take that out. Second signature, sticker. Isn't that pretty? Bag. Beautiful paper. I just love fall. Look at that with the gold. Isn't that just stunning? So beautiful. sticker. You can see why I wanted to show this particular one, because I didn't want you to think that the one I showed before was the actual one that would arrive. Look at how pretty that is. Just the colors are just dreamy. Sticker. And there's the back. So this is your actual kit, guys. If you are interested, like I said, I apologize, but there is only one, and it is in my shop. So thanks for hanging out. I will see you tomorrow. We will do August, and this is what we're playing off of. So that's why I was thinking, let's do maybe an ID card and a ticket, something like that. So if you're interested in the Elizabeth Craft Design Box, join me. Meanwhile, take care, everyone. Thanks so much for hanging out. Hope you like this. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.